What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today this is going to be a super quick video, guys. I'm going to show you how to transfer different assets onto different chains onto Cosmos, and we're also going to show you how to stake some Akash, guys. Now that Osmosis has launched, this is fire sauce, guys. If you didn't get the airdrop, make sure you would have staked, or make sure you did stake your Cosmos before the 18th of February, and you would have been solid and you would have got this junk. It was a lucrative airdrop. It was like over $1,200 or $1,300. So it was pretty awesome. But anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, three things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing during $100 in free BTC. If you don't like Bitcoin, don't do any of that junk. If you like Bitcoin, then do all that junk. All that junk inside that trunk. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys how to make a quick swap. All right, so we're gonna swap. I already transferred some of my Akash all the way to my wallet, but we're just gonna do some Osmo to Akash just to show you guys how this works. So I'm gonna select Akash. I'm just gonna swap all my Osmo so you guys can see this, and I'm gonna set my slippage to 1. Just keep in mind the transaction will revert, but it's okay. Transactions are free on Osmo. So now I'm going to hit approve. Transactions broadcasting, waiting for the transaction, and we shall wait. Congratulations, it was done. I wonder why it was done. Well, it's because it's like 2 a.m. and no one else is doing junk. That's okay. That's when I like to do crypto. All right, so now I'm going to withdraw to my wallet. Already allowed it to know my wallet address. So I'm just going to say, let's go ahead and withdraw the maximum amount of AKT. All right, so we are going to approve this transaction for the IBC transfer. So we're going to hit approve, and transactions printing. And we done. That was so fast. I love it. All right, so I'm going to go to my wallet. This is currently on my wallet right now. It doesn't have the new balance. Actually, you know what? I think it does have the new balance. No. So just remember 16.68. Let's go ahead and refresh it, see what happens. Sometimes it takes up to 10 minutes, like it says here. So keep that in mind. All right, so you guys can see we got 16.99845 AKT. All right, so we are going to show you guys how to stake this. Guys, that is really how fire sauce it is. I literally just swapped from Osmosis to Akash, like a whole different chain. I mean, guys, do you know how massive that is? Well, it's massive. Look, I can literally swap from different chains. That's like taking your Bitcoin and putting it on Ethereum. What the pants? How does that happen? Oh, well, it just did. It just got roasty in here, bruh. All right, so we are going to stake our Akash. It's going to take us to Kepler or Kepler, whatever it is. And we're going to select our validator we want to go with. Three things you got to know about this. First off, commission, the lower, the better. Second, just because it's lower, it doesn't mean it's better. So almost contradicting, but you need to make sure the validator is a good one. If they aren't a good one, you are going to get slashed. And what does slashing mean? Well, it typically is not a good thing. Just like when you slash someone's tires, it's not good. It means flat tire. So when you slash someone's crypto, it means it's going to be taken. Also, when you're doing this, you can actually select any of these guys right here. These commissions are not always the same. Oh yeah, I'm aping into this one. 100%. Just take all my money now. I mean, geez. Let me pull my pants down and let you kick it. So if you guys check out Forbull, this guys, don't delegate to this one because I'm looking at this one because you'll probably lose all your money if you do that. But you guys can see they're pretty active in the staking. They're on multiple ecosystems and not just one. You can look into them some more, but we're just gonna go ahead and walk you guys through, just show you how to delegate. It's super easy. So I'll just say, all right, I'm gonna delegate the maximum amount, and yes, I am aware of the 21 days. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm just going to delegate all of it. If there is no fee, great. Oh, there is a fee. So we will reject and we will do 16.75 because we got to leave room for transaction fees. So we are going to pay the low gas fee because I like to pay low gas. And usually when I pay a lot of gas, it just really stinks really bad in the room. So the transaction is spending, and the transaction failed. So I guess we got to use a medium amount of gas. So hopefully it doesn't smell too bad. So we're going to do average. We select average. Transaction is pending. So while we're waiting on that transaction, it's taking longer than 3 seconds. Probably should have did not average, but hey, it is what it is. The reason why I like Akash, I actually made a full video explaining it, is it's allowing a fully decentralized space. So instead of just like decentralized networks, guys, in theory, you can't decentralize something if it's not on a decentralized network. Akash is allowing that to happen on the internet. They're creating basically a decentralized internet, guys. It is literally fire sauce. And Akash, I've been so bullish on it, but I could not get into it because you got to go through different exchanges, and I'm in the US. I can't do that. So with Akash being launched on Osmosis, now it's on a decentralized exchange. So now I can go ahead and get this token and have some fun. Akash party. All right, so the transaction went through and my tokens are staked. I'll go ahead and refresh the page to show you it's staked because my available balance is 0.24. So now my tokens are staked and I will be able to claim these rewards. It's earning like a 50% reward. So game changer, dude. That's pretty fire sauce. And guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, as always, we shall leave you with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 23, verses 17. Do not let your heart envy sinners, but always be zealous for the fear of the Lord. This is surely a future hope for you, and your hope will not be cut off. 17. Do not let your heart envy sinners, but always be zealous for the fear of the Lord. There is surely a future hope for you, and your hope will not be cut off. And of course, guys, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Scott Dalman, Tariq Lou, TL King, and JP. PJ. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.